Holla, turn this shit up.
Slam with an info. Now nigga, I don't know no info. Only thing I'ma tell you, beef with a nigga, yeah, you better not sleep by your window. Killer can't get you to get your kinfolk. When it come to TDK, yeah, we been close. When I up the sig and I hit his body, little niggas there watch how skin fold. See, I'm from Memphis, this shit can get wicked. They just Charlie J with some rape. See, lil' dude, he was raping, lil' dude, he was taking it. I saw was shooting at the grapes. Ted told me to come my yard, cause most of these niggas be snakes. They really wanna be a nigga on the low. I see the envy on their face. Now I switch the game up and ball fade, goose and sweater with the waves. Wolf round and that pussy from the back and she like daddy, okay. And when men by the bad link up, you know it's all about to play. Lil' D, he fucked her and spazzed out and he burned some in broad day. And she say I'm stuck in my ways. Why? Cause why is that gun on your waist? My bad, I'm just going through a phase. Like some children just trying to get laid. Like a hustler just trying to get paid. Take a ride with me and don't be afraid. See my grandma, she dead in the grave. Rue Tita, he locked in the cave. Rue Shiesty, he locked in the cave. Rue JP, he locked in the cave. Lil' J should've went to the A, and he should've stayed out the way. Rue Shiesty, they caught him some J's. The same day he got slayed. Man, this shit here amazing. Man. Yeah, man, for all you dick sucking ass niggas on the sideline, man, I always wanna watch the next nigga move, man, so you can learn something, man. Nigga, don't get hit with that iron, nigga. Stay the fuck out the way, sideline ass nigga.